All right, let me give you a little bit of insight about Ningbo Youbei Bicycle Company Limited. So the company was established in 2010 and they focus more on children's bicycles, tricycles, scooters, and balance bikes. So all their export products are in line with the EU or European and North American standards. They launch hundreds of new SKUs or products each year. Now this factory is about 18,000 square meters, so we have a lot of ground to cover here for today. So I hope you're going to be sticking around. So this facility as well, or this factory as well, includes professional R&D and production team. Everything is in-house. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's get into the factory. I'm going to show you around. Alright, so I'm here at Ningbo Youbei Bicycle Company Limited's showroom. And as you can see behind me are, if not hundreds, I don't know how many because they also have a showroom over there. But I'm here specifically because I want to share something special with you guys. But before that, the company actually cooperated with the big brands such as BMW and Faraday in 2015. And then in 2018, they actually cooperated with a Good Baby. So aside from cooperation with big brands, they also have their own brand. And obviously behind me is their product line under the Lenjoy brand name, and it is their own brand name. And aside from the safety test, also I want to show you that the factory is actually ISO 901 certified. They also have the certification here. These are original documents actually. The ISO 14001. I also have here ISO 45001 in 2018. Another ISO 901 in 2015. All right, so down to the final step. It is actually the assembly line. Now with the assembly line, as you can see, we have this conveyor. It will move from there, from the beginning. That's step one. It will end over there, which we'll be checking on later on. So as you can see, everything assembled from the pedal, it's labeled left and right, to the fork, to the brakes. And then on the stage, you can see we have the wheels being installed. And this guy's gonna carry it. He puts it inside the box. Everything's been checked already from that quality part over there. Slides the box over here. There you go. Now, of course, the company, Ningbo Youbei Bicycle Company Limited, wants to ensure that safety. They have this in-house testing lab. We have, for example, here the spectrometer. It does test for components of all the plastics and rubber in the bike. They have the special machine over here. A while ago, I shared with you the element tester, which is the spectrometer testing for all the rubber and the plastics. And here is another equipment that will test the spokes, the chain, it will test it for fatigue, so to ensure that it can actually last long and it's going to withstand all these abuse, because it's a non-stop kind of motion, right? When talking about the plate, the chain, the sprockets, the spokes. We are now here at their Research and Development Center. Now here we have about 10 people, 10 designers, very talented ones. They're actually the reason, all those products that you've seen earlier at the showroom, all the design starts from here. So this is the company's brainchild basically. So as you can see behind me is actually one of the bikes, probably, maybe I've seen one of them earlier, but this is where all these talented designers come up with new concepts, come up with new products.